Hi, my little friends. Today we will learn about the genders. Let's understand what is gender. All nouns have a gender. Nouns which are living things or either males, that is the he gender, or female, that is the she gender. So let's understand genders. Once again, genders are of two types: masculine or the male gender or the he gender. And the second one is feminine or the female gender or the she gender. Let's see a few examples. Boy, girl, man, woman, husband, wife, father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandmother, sir, madam, wizard, witch, king, queen, manservant, maidservant, priest, priestess, master, mistress, nephew, niece, landlord, landlady, milkman, milkmaid, actor, actress, god, goddess, emperor, empress, poet, poetess, bridegroom, bride, waiter, waitress, monk, nun, headmaster, headmistress. Animals are also living beings like us, so they too have genders. Bull, cow, cock, hen, dog, bitch, drake, duck, cock sparrow, hen sparrow, stag, hind, peacock, peahen, tomcat, queen cat, tiger, tigress, stallion, mare, ram, ewe, gander, goose, lion, lioness, drone, bee, fox, vixen, pig. So,
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe my channel, RajaVikramadithyaS channel.